Welcome to today's Word tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to add page numbers to your document in Microsoft Word. Page numbers make it easy to navigate longer documents, and I'll show you how to customize them to fit your needs. Let's get started. Step-by-step instructions. Inserting basic page numbers. To add page numbers, go to the Insert tab, then click on Page Number in the Header/Footer group. You'll see options to place the page number at the top, bottom, or in the margins of your page. Select a style you like, and Word will insert page numbers throughout your document. Customizing page number format. If you'd like to customize the numbering style, click Page Number, then select Format Page Numbers. Here, you can change the number format like Roman numerals or alphabetical letters, or start numbering from a specific number. Excluding the first page. If you don't want a page number on your first page, like a cover page, click on the Different First Page option in the Header/Footer tab. This will keep the first page blank while continuing numbering from the second page. Changing page number position and alignment. To change the position or alignment of the page number, go to Insert Page Number. Select the alignment you prefer, such as right, left, or center. You can also adjust the position in the header or footer if needed. Removing page numbers. To remove page numbers, go to the Insert tab, select Page Number, and click on Remove Page Numbers. This will delete the numbering from the entire document. Closing, and that's it. Now you know how to add, customize, and remove page numbers in Microsoft Word. This is a handy feature for organizing longer documents, like reports or essays. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment with any Word questions you'd like us to cover. Thanks for watching.